Hello everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your HelloFresh subscription. So what you want to do first is log into your HelloFresh account. Next, on the upper right hand corner, you're going to click on your name, and then go ahead and click on account settings. So once you click on account settings, you're going to want to scroll down to where it says change payment method, or you can actually manage your subscription status. So if you change your payment method, obviously you can just input or remove your card, but with change subscription status, as you can see here, my subscription is currently active. And so you can click on manage, and then you could actually go ahead and click on cancel anyway. So that's how you actually cancel your HelloFresh subscription. Now, in case you didn't know, you could skip deliveries as well. So if I go back into my HelloFresh account, you can see here that I've skipped this week's, I've skipped next Sunday's, and I've skipped October 27th. And the reason why is because I'll be going on vacation. So that's one way to actually keep your subscription active without actually canceling your subscription overall. So with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't signed up for HelloFresh just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get a free box off your first purchase. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video.